Hi there. So I've got a pair of these, and I say they were fabulous, Technics AZ70 earbuds. I mean, the quality of these was absolutely excellent. Now, I've had them 16 months, and the charging case has given up on me, which, as you can imagine, is pretty damn annoying. It just won't charge. So, charging cable, plug it in. I've tried a different cable. I spoke to Technics and they said, well, try a different cable than you're supposed to, and I get nothing. So basically the case won't charge. They basically said it's not worth replacing the case because of the cost of the charging case. Basically, they're duff, which is not great when you spend over £200 on a set of earbuds. Now, what I didn't think about at the time of buying these is replacement charging cases. Now, if you go for a pair of the Apple ones, or you go for the Samsung Pro, Galaxy Buds Pro, if you go online, or you go onto Amazon, or even just online searching, there are loads of replacement cases. I'm just having a look now on, where am I? I just have searched on Google, and I can get a replacement for the Galaxy Buds Pro charging case, 60 quid. There's another one for £16. They've so varying prices, but there's loads on there to actually get one to replace if your charging case. And if your Apple one goes wrong, I mean, there's loads. I've just tested 2 or 3 charging cases for Apple ones. Technics, there's not a single one available. Now, it's something I really did not think about when I made the decision. I saw the reviews on this. I've got a Technics 1210 record player stuck way behind me back here. I've got a Technics old 80s amp and receiver and stuff, so I've got okay, and that's working absolutely fine. I mean, what's that, 40 years old now, if not more, 50 years old. It's working 100% fine. Had these 16 months to break, but I just didn't think about the fact of getting a charging case if it goes wrong. You just sort of think, it's fine, you just get these things 10 a penny for any other brand. Jabra, yeah, get those, no problem at all. Technics, you can't get them. And if I had thought about that, about how good these are, and okay, the Samsung ones, so they're good. The Apple ones, I don't actually have an Apple phone. I'm a bit of a Galaxy fan. Nothing wrong with Apple, nothing wrong with Galaxy. I'm not sort of saying one's better than the other. I just personally prefer Samsung, but there we go. I should have stuck with the Samsung ones, really, but just because the ecosystem. But the reviews were so good on this. Now I'm in a situation where I've got a set of earbuds that basically I can't use. I can't find any way of tearing down this charging case. There's nothing on the web anywhere of anyone taking this case apart. I've had a look at it. I can't figure out how to take it apart. And to be honest, I'm not that technically minded. Basically, Technics are saying you need to buy a completely new pair. Okay, the price has come down. I think they've dropped down to about 150 quid now. I can get a set for. But yeah, but once that case goes wrong in 13 months' time, I can't get a replacement case. You really want to consider maybe not buying these purely because if the charging case goes wrong, and there's nothing wrong with the earbuds, you just can't get a spare. And it's bonkers because pretty much everyone else you can get spare charging cases for at a sensible price. Something I just did not think about when I bought these, which is a really silly thing not to have considered. But you think Technics, it's a great quality brand. They make great stuff. I love my record player and my old stuff I got behind me. It sounds fantastic, something better than putting a piece of vinyl on and listening to the old crackles and hisses from the old-fashioned stuff that you don't get with modern CDs and things. But I'm a bit peeved that these have given up on me after 16 months, and it costs quite a bit of money, and I can't get a replacement case. Choice is yours, but you might want to think about the factor of getting hold of replacement bits and pieces, how easy it is to just get a replacement case, because I can't even get a charger. I can't even figure out how to charge these without a case. They've got some, the pin setup is, it's not as though I can plug a charger individually into the connections, because they've got this funny, what have they got there? 2, 4, 6 pins there. So I don't know how I can maybe rig up some sort of wire to charge these. I don't know, most really end up blowing them up and ruining them. Well, they're ruined anyway, so I can't use them. Really annoying. Suggestion is, when you're considering wireless earbuds, just consider, if your case goes wrong out of warranty, how easy it is to get a replacement one. Hope this helps, maybe food for thought. Thanks for watching. Bye.